What if I told you the future of transportation isn't just coming, it's here? And the biggest rivalry in automotive history isn't about horsepower, top speed, or luxury interiors. It's about who owns the sky. That's right. The next battlefield for innovation isn't on the road, it's in the air. China versus America, two titans, two radically different approaches to flying cars. But here's the kicker. One of these nations just unveiled a flying car that costs less than a fully loaded Tesla Model S. Mind-blowing, right? Stick around because by the end of this video, I'll reveal which side has the edge and why it might change how we think about transportation forever. For decades, we've debated who dominates the auto industry. America brought us muscle cars and EV revolutions, while China quietly became the world's largest car market. But flying cars? That's a whole new ballgame. And it's not just about convenience, it's about control of the skies. Think about it. No traffic jams, no stoplights, no potholes. This isn't a niche toy for the super rich. It's a potential game changer for how cities function. The stakes? Billions of dollars, global prestige, and a massive technological leap forward. So what's the deal with these two flying car contenders? Let's start with China. Their leading flying car manufacturer, Xpeng Aero HT, recently unveiled a prototype called the X2. It's sleek, fully electric, and best of all, it's designed for mass production. The price? Rumored to be under $300,000? That's right. What sounds like science fiction might actually be attainable for high-end consumers in just a few years. The X2 is packed with innovation, autonomous flight controls, vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) capabilities, and a compact design perfect for congested urban areas. Xpeng's vision is crystal clear. Make flying cars practical, affordable, and scalable. It's less about luxury and more about revolutionizing urban transport. But here's the twist. It doesn't look like a car. It's more like a cross between a drone and a futuristic capsule. Would you trust that to get you from point A to point B? Now let's pivot to America. The big name here is Joby Aviation, backed by major Silicon Valley investors and even NASA. Their prototype isn't just about flying, it's about flying fast. With a range of over 150 miles and a top speed of 200 mph, Joby's design screams performance. But there's a catch. It's expected to cost over $1 million. This is the private jet of flying cars, exclusive, luxurious, and more about status than accessibility. What sets Joby apart is its focus on ride-sharing. Imagine booking an Uber, except instead of a car pulling up, a sleek VTOL aircraft lands on your rooftop. Joby aims to own the premium air taxi market, positioning itself as the go-to for urban elites. But here's the question. Can they make this tech reliable and safe enough to justify the price? So, who has the edge? China, with its mass-market vision and cost-effective design? Or America, with its focus on luxury and cutting-edge performance? It's not just about technology, it's about philosophy. China is betting on democratizing the skies, while America is leaning into exclusivity. But there's a wild card: regulation. Both nations face enormous hurdles in making flying cars legal, safe, and accepted by the public. And here's the surprising twist I promised. The winner might not be who you think. It all comes down to who can convince the world that flying cars aren't just cool, they're essential. Now it's your turn. Which approach do you think will win the flying car war? Will China's affordability trump America's luxury? Or is this all just a pipe dream for billionaires? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I want to hear your take. And if you enjoyed this dive into the future of cars, hit that like button and subscribe. You won't want to miss what's next because the flying car story is only getting started. See you in the skies.